unboxing, gift, sa pang Ashley, toothpaste na nila. See. That's it. Thank you, Ninang Jessie. Next, the happy birthday, Ashnir from Ate Feb and Vince. Open. Wow. Nice. Thank you, Ate Feb. And Tia Vince. Walay ngalan. Thank you, Ani. See. Wow. From Mom Ras. From sa iyang lola. Numbers, puzzle. Thank you, Lula, Rusty. Yes. From Kit Kat. Open. Ooh, wow! My first board book. Picture playtime. Murag ang mama ang happy, dili ang baby. Napaya. Oh, A4 kay guys, as in. Gabi ka A4 with matching picture pa. I know it. Ang sanin. Wow, diaper. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Naninya. Yan, text. Dako kay guys. Tsaka isod ani. Surprise! Kay soda. Wow! Diaper and study book. Thank you. Kaya nakakoy supply dito guys. No worries na po sa pila ka months. Char. Next. From Daddy Lance and Mommy Vic. Open. Wow! Oh my God! Guess what? Ooh! Milk ni Baby Ashnir. Daddy Lance sa milk. Magnido na siya. Kay 1-year-old na. Nido, 1, 2, 3. Thanks sa milk. Wow. Overtake ang react sa wow, Linday. Save kay ang mama guys. As in, if you wipes and baby lactaseed. Very nice. Thank you. From Mommy Ray, Mommy Rina. Happy birthday to you. Open. Wow. Wow. Piano. Ding. And wax. Guys, ako jud kay siya as in. Unsa kay soda ni gasto at happy birthday, Ashley, from Tita Lalay. Oh. Open. Oh, diaper. Oh my goodness. Apa guys? Happy birthday also. Oh, happy birthday Ashley from Ninang March. Oh. Yes. Okay. Diaper set guys. Thank you. And guys, naipakash. Cash ni siya. Happy birthday Ashner from Kaidin and Mommy Wala. Thank you. From Ninong Michael. From Ati Zia, Kian, Nigel James, and Vince, and Kang Aidin. Happy birthday Ashner. Thank you sa pakash. And from Mommy Jamie. Thank you. Og naasay uban ng hatag og cash. O cash guys. Thank you kaayo sa uban na hatag og donate. Salamat. Og also sa cake. Thank you Mami Ayla, Ma'am Chet sa cake. Langit daw kaayo. Mata guys. Ano siya mga ma? Oh, wow! Oh, look at! Wow! Na say thank you. Thank you sa gift. Thank you. Na books oh. Mag-read na ka? Oh. Babat na. Take a bath na daw siya. Kana na siya ay shampoo.